Hi everyone, Mayor Drew Dilkins here for another edition of Mayor's Minute. Today we are in Ford City. I'm joined today by Melissa. Melissa works for the City of Windsor. She is a museum collection assistant, and she's the one partly responsible for making sure that all of our sculptures in the City of Windsor are in good condition. So we've got a team behind me right now who's doing something to the statue. What are they responsible for? What are they doing?
So our sculpture park conservation students are responsible for assessing, repairing, cleaning and waxing all about 105 public art sculptures.
Can we go help them?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, they're waiting
Voila.
for you.
Let's do it. Okay, I'm here to help. How can I help?
Start scrubbing. Be very careful, be very delicate, and just make sure you use small circles, and you should get all the dirt and grime off.
Okay.
So this sculpture is called Generations. It was designed and sculpted by a local sculptor, Mark Williams, who was working for Ford Canada at the time, and so it's a dedication to the auto workers since Ford City is considered the foundation of the auto industry in Windsor.
So we started this program in 2014 or 15. Have you all been here that amount of time?
No, actually, this is my first year doing it.
This is my first year as well. Matt and I have been here for 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
So you had so much fun last year, you thought you'd come back and do it again. And do you notice a big difference when you've done this work, what the statue looks like?
Absolutely, yeah. Especially on the bronze statues, when you're done waxing them, they really shine.
And so what happens, like, when you inspect the statue, if you notice anything that needs repair, how do you guys deal with that?
We have condition reports, so you mark down anything that's been damaged on them.
So our sculpture conservation team and restoration team, they'll be out all summer long helping to take care of all 105 sculptures that the City of Windsor owns. If you see them and it's hot, make sure you give them a drink of water and say thank you, because it's not easy to work in some of the heat that we have in the City of Windsor this summer. If you would like more information on the sculptures that we have in the City of Windsor, be sure and visit our website, citywindsor.ca/culture. That's it for this edition of Mayor's Minute. Thanks for watching.